I'm Dr. Arpit. I'll show you how to create this video with every prompt, every set. I hold a PhD in machine learning and I also run a consultancy company called A2.ai. So let's start. And here you can say with the one-liner, you can generate the full stunning looking video. Now they have like a multiple model series there. They have image to video elements and you can refer to the image there. And it's also upgraded its audio as well. Apart from this, they also have something called Omni. This is like Image 3.0 Omni model, which is like cinematic narrative visual expression, and it also helps in consistency. So if you guys want to have a read, you can do its own website. And at the end, we have the Smart Lab. So Smart Lab is pretty cool. So we have Smart Lab there is, you can create a whole story mode in the canvas. Like you have the image, you have the text, and you can join it together. And then you can select the model, whichever the model you want. And Kling would create all the frames and all the references. And once you have all the image, and if you look into their pricing, this is pretty decent as compared to the old models. So they have like a $9.8 trial package. They have $98, $136. So based on what we want, we can select. I've only purchased $7 model, and based on $7, they have given me around like 300 credits, and it's enough to generate. So once you log into the Kling, there is a tab called video generation on the top left corner. So we can directly go into here. And now I'll show you like how I divided this into 6 different clips, as you can see over here. And with each clip, I tried my best to keep it consistent. At the start, we have to select few features here. So basically, I have selected that I want the video to be in 1080p and I want the length to be 10 seconds. And for the 10 seconds of length, I was charging me 120 credits, and I am happy with only the output to be 1 instead of multiple output and comparing. So if you want to buy the more credits, you can give it a go. At the start, I gave the input as a soldier in a dark tactical gears, and I have tried to explain everything so that to make it more cinematic, like his breath is visible in the freezing air. Camera tracks low behind his boots, then rises slowly to reveal his face. So these kind of prompts give it kind of a cinematic effect, and you can use Claude or ChatGPT or any other LLM to generate it. So I've also tried to give like job or eye, then eyes scanning the star. He stops dead. The camera pushes down to really reveal massive creature footprints. And I have given like every single prompt and every single feature detail that I wanted. And I've also mentioned like 25% of the speed on the footprint reveal. This looks pretty good. And now, so my clip 1 is ready after it took me like only a couple of minutes. So now, before creating the next clip, we need to make sure we are consistent with all the characters that we have generated in the first one. The good thing about Kling is it gives you the starting and the ending frame option here. This was my last prompt, so what I can do is I can add the starting frame. I can click on the history and it will show me, if I go to all types, it will show me all the generated videos. So basically I can select the extract frame from the first generated video and select the last frame there, and based on it I can select, and then once I select it, so suppose I select this one here for now just to show you guys, and once I select that frame there, I can even extract the character. Before extracting the character, we can create element, and either you can take the screenshot from the first video, that what I did, and uploaded two characters that you can see. The first I named as Jack and second one I named as Monster, and this would help us to be consistent throughout the whole video. Divided my explanation into the 6 different varieties, and I tried to generate the video in 1080p, and most of my videos are for 10 seconds. But that gives me the whole 1 minute of cinematics. The videos are ready. You can directly download using the download button over here, and if you are the VIP, you can also remove the watermark and select without watermark in the drop down menu. And if you like the video, please subscribe. In the next video I'll show you how we can use the lab feature of the Kling and create a full movie, 10 minutes of the movie